Hello, welcome to Pi International Education, IELTS e-learning tips and tricks. Today we're going to be covering IELTS Writing Task 2, Structure, okay? Now, structure in the IELTS Writing Task 2 is essential to getting a good band score. Now, this goes for academic and general training both, all right? So, I want you guys to follow a 4-paragraph format, okay? So 4 paragraphs, starting with intro, then body 1, body 2, and lastly, your conclusion. Now, if you can deliver an essay with these 4 elements, all relevant to the topic, using examples and connecting everything together with a restatement of your opinions in the conclusion with 250 words, you have the basic elements necessary to score high on the IELTS Writing Task 2. Now, what do you include in your introduction, body 1, body 2, and conclusion? Well, that all depends on exactly what type of essay you get. But if you can follow this basic format, 4 paragraphs, 250 words, body 1 and body 2, with good examples, all relating to the topic, then you will score a very high band score in your IELTS Writing Task 2. And later on in our videos, I will actually go over what elements you need in your introduction, body 1, body 2, and conclusion to get the 7, 8, and 9 scores we all so dearly desire. Now, for access to this video and hundreds of other courses and other learning materials, please visit www.mypibd.com and access our e-learning platform. Thank you.